The wind. So now you saw small video, small bit of Pavo20 PRO, which is the first version. It's not the second one. There is already second one, but whole this video is for you if you are getting an FPV. What I would suggest you to get depending on your style of flying, because let's say I would ask you what kind of flying you are imagining. If let's say you are imagining the speed like a tricks like power loops and split aces and rolls and all that kind of thing, then this I would definitely not suggest to you to get first thing when you are getting an FPV, because this thing is more for cinematic, slow, close proximity flying, indoors flying, amazing thing for indoors. And because exactly it have ducted probes and LEDs for people to see you. I mean, if that is something you are thinking about, and of course 04 Pro unit, so that will give you quite nice video on 4K 60 frames a second if you prefer that. So, and it's using 4S batteries, but still in 2026, I mean, considering all these options and everything, and people's like, yeah, you should do, there is so many options to choose from, and not always the newest is better, because I've been flying with this for already a year or so. I mean, I crashed it. I mean, just now was flying and broken antenna. I mean, but it's still working. I mean, the only thing I changed was actually the canopy, because I crashed it a couple of times and just the canopy broke. That would be one of the things I would suggest you when you are getting actual drone, to get some spare canopies. And of course the props, those is going quite fast, but not, I would say, not so fast as for 5-inch or 3-inch with open props, but I would say you would need some three sets more, and like at least 2 more canopies. I mean, because this one is already starting to a little bit be like a little bit not stable. So, but other than that, I'm enjoying this drone of exactly cinematic and slow flying, but exactly keep in mind that this is very wind dependent, I mean the weather dependent, that more not more higher winds it will be blowing around. But if you are imagining that you would be flying in a parks close to sculptures or something, making this kind of cinematic things, I mean, this thing is for you. This thing definitely is for you. But of course, if you are in freestyle FPV, I mean, then it will not cut it. I mean, yes, I've seen people making freestyle videos and so on, but even then, that depends on your rates, actually how it will perform. If your rate is not fast enough, you will have struggle by doing rolls, split aces and all that. It have power, it have punch. I mean, if you punch it out, I mean, it will go. I mean, it's not so that it will be like this. No. But so yeah, I just decided to make this video for people maybe who are still getting an FPV and they are looking for something new, or what to buy when getting an FPV, and why to spend sort of and buy the newest thing, because that is just the newest, if you can still get used one or new one. I mean, it's still very good option, because anyway the video unit didn't change. So no matter what the last 2 years or something since 04 Pro is all out, there is no better unit as this one. So in the end of the day, if your whole purpose is exactly cinematic and this, get used one, because people is selling them. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was like short video to again review small Pavo20 Pro, and thank you for watching. Till the next time, bye.